নমস্কার 24 আওয়ার্স টিভিতে আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আজ আমাদের সঙ্গে স্টুডিওতে উপস্থিত রয়েছেন ডায়েটিশিয়ান শ্রুতি কেজরিওয়াল। আসুন ওনার সঙ্গে কিছু কথা বলে নিই। थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडियो में आने के लिए। सबसे पहले तो ये जो डाइटिशियन का ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये ईदनिंग मतलब मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि रिसेंटली इवॉल्व किया है, इट हैज़ इवॉल्व ओवर टाइम, राइट? तो इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया, मतलब इस प्रोफेशन में इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया आपका?
ओके, नाइस क्वेश्चन पायल। सो मैं बताऊंगी, जब मैं कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर रही थी 2012 में, मैं ज़्यादा डाइटिशियन को नहीं जानती थी, बहुत ही न्यू फील्ड था। आई वॉज लाइक लिटिल वरिड ऑल्सो कि क्या होगा, बट देन सडनली मार्केट वॉज कम्प्लीटली बूम एंड एवरीवन वाज लाइक परसुइंग दिस फील्ड। आप देखोगे कि आजकल 6 महीने का क्रैश कोर्स वगैरह भी होने लग गया है, which is not suitable,
right?
Okay, because I have done my BSc in nutrition, MSc in nutrition,
तो बचपन से था आपका?
No, and then masters in nutrition.
जी.
Then I have done a specialization in sports nutrition and supplementation.
Okay.
I have a research publication in International Journal of Food and Nutrition. So and then we have a licensing also under IPEN, IDA, that I'm qualified dietitian and I can practice as a health worker.
Right.
Yes.
तो आप अपने बचपन के बारे में कुछ बताइए, या इनफैक्ट आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन खुद हमारे जो ऑडियंस है उनको जरा दीजिए कि कैसे ये इंटरेस्ट कैसे ग्रो हुआ।
आई डोंट नो,
ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इंटरेस्ट चला आया।
इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, पढ़ाई करना था, पढ़ाई कर रही थी बस।
ऐसा कोई एनवायरनमेंट था आपके घर में?
नो,
नहीं,
नो, so my entire family is a chartered accountant and MBA.
Oh my God. So unlikely, in fact it's very unique as well, क्योंकि आजकल के ज़माने में स्पेशली इन टुडेज टाइम जब लाइफस्टाइल हम लोगों का इतना बदल चुका है, हम अपने डाइट का ध्यान नहीं रख पा रहे हैं, तो उस बारे में आपका क्या ओपिनियन है?
So I'll tell you one thing, आपको एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से समझ जाना चाहिए कि जो भी मेडिकेशंस आते हैं, अगर आपको हाइपरटेंशन है, चाहे आपको एक नॉर्मल हेडेक हुआ है या आपको डायबिटीज़ है, कुछ भी है, तो वो दवाई कभी भी आपका डिजीज रिवर्स नहीं करता है, ठीक है? दैट विल ओनली डील विद द सिम्टम, ओके? व्हाट यू नीड टू हील इज योर सेल from within, and our body is composed of like millions and trillions of cells, okay? Right. So for a food and as a health worker, we need to work on the root cause, that is cell के अंदर से, okay? So right. That can be done only through food. बिकॉज अभी तक ऐसा कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं है जो आपके सेल के अंदर का वो चीज को हील कर सके। या अगर आप एक जनरल ले लो, इंडिया इज बिकमिंग अ कैपिटल ऑफ डायबिटिक, ओके? बट जो भी मेडिकेशंस ले रहे हैं, दैट इज नॉट गेटिंग रिवर्स्ड, दे आर कंटिन्यूइंग दैट मेडिसिन फॉर 20 years, 25 years, 40 years till they die, okay? But what we actually need to change is our lifestyle, and that lifestyle modification need to be done first with the help of food, exercise, sleep, less of stress, then.
So इस रिगार्ड में आप हमारे जो ऑडियंस है या फिर स्पेशली आपका एक्सपीरियंस है इस फील्ड में, you've been interacting with a lot of people, a lot of patients as well. You must have come across a lot of people who are struggling really hard to survive through this particular not just disease but this very concept.
Yes.
तो आप ऑडियंस के थ्रू, मतलब हमारे थ्रू ऑडियंस तक क्या मैसेज पहुंचाना चाहते हैं इस मामले में?
कि change your lifestyle. That is
simple message.
Yes. Change your lifestyle.
Any suggestions? How would they do that? Like
through diet, through proper sleep of 8 to 10 hours. Please, stress सबको को होता है, so try to indulge in something which will lead to a stress buster.
Right.
Yes. Yes, exercise, walking, जो भी possible हो. Give yourself at least 30 minutes. Find a time for yourself, at least 30 minutes.
So called me time, right?
Yes. 30 minutes in a day minimum.
Absolutely. ताकि हम हमारे लाइफस्टाइल को बदल पाए और इनफैक्ट हम अपना ध्यान रख पाए। इस जनरेशन में हम अक्सर दूसरों का ध्यान रखने में इतना व्यस्त हो जाते हैं, इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं कि खुद का ध्यान नहीं रख पाते हैं।
Indulge in your hobbies.
Absolutely. In fact, I think is it related to mental health as well?
Yes. So less stress, your mental health will be absolutely perfect.
तो I mean this brings me to the question कि ये जो आप इतना अच्छा बोल रही हैं, मतलब अपने प्रोफेशन के बारे में, इज़ वेरी द वेरी कॉन्सेप्ट दैट यू आर ब्रिंगिंग अप हमारे ऑडियंस के सामने भी आप ला रही हैं। ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है यू नो डाइटिशियन का, आपका कोई क्लिनिक है या फिर आप ये प्रैक्टिस कैसे करते हैं, कैसे ये मैसेज आप लोगों तक पहुंचाते हैं, हाउ आर यू एबल टू सर्व योर पीपल लाइक patients?
Okay, so right now I'm into this profession since 8 years. Okay, so I'm a practicing dietitian since last 8 years. I have started my career by working in a hospital. I have worked with many other enterprises also, and I'm currently teaching as a visiting professor at JD Birla also. So I run my own clinic, right. Plus I deal with clients all over world. So I have a US, UK, Saudi based clients also. So yes, it's just like a word of mouth, and true. Thank you to you all also nowadays, like you know, since you people are also encouraging and motivating a lot,
spreading awareness.
Yes.
This brings me to the next question, and it is a very important question, especially in today's generation when women are taking different shapes, different forms, and they are engaging themselves in different professions as well. तो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से अगर मैं सवाल पूछूं तो how are you able to balance you know yourself in this profession? लोगों का मानना है, कई लोगों का मानना है, स्पेशली हमारे इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, विच इज़ स्टिल अ पेट्रियार्की, हम लोग अभी भी मानते हैं दैट इज स्टिल अ पेट्रियार्की. सो इस सोसाइटी में कैसे आप ये बैलेंस मेंटेन कर पा रहे हैं? वॉज देयर एनी स्ट्रगल? हाउ वॉज इट? हाउ डिड इट फील व्हेन इट वाज just started?
No, I just cannot say anything. My entire family is like a workaholic, and they all are into professions, so I just cannot correlate this thing.
Right.
Yes, so my grandmother, my mother, my sister-in-laws, my sisters, everyone is into a working profession. Look at yourself. I'm sure even you are doing pretty well. Yes, so you don't love what you do.
Right.
So I love interacting with people, and this is like how we counsel. So how I counsel, you know, it's just like 24 hours dietary recall and everything. So it's given, yeah. So I enjoy my work.
All right.
Yes.
So was there no struggle at all? There must be some struggle, like koi
struggle is still there, na? People and the patient still thinks that, you know, I know everything what to eat. So they will not visit you.
In fact, Google.
Yes,
Baba is always there.
Yeah. So you need to go to expert for anything, for whatever requirement it is. So if when it comes on food, you need to visit to a dietitian. When it comes on skin, you need to visit to a dermatologist. When it comes on you know, heart, so you need to visit to a cardiologist. So make sure that you reached out to a correct person.
Right.
Yes. So you know, Google cannot answer you what actually I have learned over a years.
Absolutely. तो यू नो प्रेजेंटली हम लोगों का ये कॉन्सेप्ट है कि अगर कुछ भी होता है, यू नो, अगर मामूली सा सर दर्द भी होता है तो हम लोग सबसे पहले गूगल करते हैं, एंड गूगल सजेस्ट्स अ नंबर ऑफ रीजंस बिहाइंड इट. तो उस मतलब इस बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? What advice would you like to give to the audience?
So I know one doctor who have put outside his chamber that if you talk about the Google, the moment you are going to talk about the Google, it is like 500 charges. Okay, so you need to pay that. So when I am sitting with my client, I just say, please, if you want to Google it out, you can simply Google it out, or you can talk to me. So it's your wish. Yeah.
You know, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो जनरेशन है, मतलब आज के ज़माने में इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, तो उस वजह से भी शायद लोग थोड़ा बहुत
information overload is different, but correct information is reaching to you or not is completely different.
Absolutely.
So we are looking for a correct information. So if you need 100% correct information with accuracy, then you need to visit me.
Absolutely. In fact, you know, this brings to another question of mine, and that is, what small or what baby step would you take to bring a change in the society, you know, in this context?
Yeah, so I work with NGOs, I work with ASHA workers. Yeah, so whatever is coming for me, I'll take that as an opportunity. Wow. So it is just not key, you know, that we need to make money only out
Absolutely,
of it,
very true.
you know, but there are people who need our help. So if you see people who stays in suburbs or the rural areas, they still don't have knowledge, and when I am appointed to schedule their diet plan or to everything, their budget is still 20 rupees per day, and in that 20 rupees we need to manage their protein intake, their everyday, you know, vitamin mineral intake, everything need to be on place. So that becomes challenging, but that's also fun, okay, because you are working for the society. You know that, you know, there are still people who need to manage their lifestyle just in 20 rupees per day.
Right.
Yes.
Absolutely. Interestingly, आपने जो point out किया बहुत interesting है that it's just not business. No, it is more about health. It is more about people. It is more about public service.
Yes.
Right. So आप अपने organization के बारे में थोड़ा और details में अगर viewers हमारे जो है, हमारे जो audience है, उनको थोड़ा बताइए तो उनको पता चलेगा ना आपके बारे में.
Yes. So I have helped many 1500 plus diabetes reversal cases. I have done it. Then I have treated women with PCOD, suffering from PCOD, which is completely reversed. I helped many women to conceive also. It is just not, so basically people think that dietitian के पास जाना मतलब it's a weight loss or a weight gain journey. It is just not about that. Weight loss, weight gain may be a secondary thing, but the first thing is to treat your, to reverse your diseases actually.
Right.
Yes, and to work on your symptoms.
इनफैक्ट अगर मान लीजिए कि अगर मैं किसी भी डिजीज से स्ट्रगल नहीं कर रही हूँ तो भी क्या मैं डाइटिशियन के पास जा सकती हूँ, यू नो, फॉर एन एडवाइस और मे बी फॉर सम पीस ऑफ एडवाइस और समथिंग लाइक दैट?
Yes, so for piece of advice you can.
Okay.
Second thing, your age also matters. Okay, you are at what age? Third thing, suppose being a lady, okay, you are absolutely fit, your periods are on time, but still you want to conceive, okay?
Right.
So it's just a suggestion. You can just visit her and just take a suggestion. That's it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and you know, you can get it checked that whatever you are eating is on place or not, or you need some rectification. Even that is possible.
Right.
Yeah.
Even quantity, I think, does quantity matter in that case?
So see, quantity, I will not say exactly quantity, but I'm definitely going to say we should listen to our hormone when it is saying that you are full. So you know, your hormone is so beautifully made in the body. It is God gifted, okay?
Right.
So the hormone will indicate you, Payal, you are full. Stop eating. So don't overeat. Stop at that time.
Absolutely.
Even though you have a certain lifestyle, okay, but your hormone have started indicating, Payal, you are hungry, please eat something. Eat at that time, please.
Absolutely.
Yes.
In fact,
Don't think that if you're not going to eat, you will reduce weight. No, nothing like that.
this was a misconception, you know, and I think it still exists, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes, yes.
I mean, do you find people coming up with such misconception and myths? I mean, what kind of myths have you come across in your 8 years of career?
Yes, this is one of the myth.
है ना?
Yes.
अजीब लगता है ना सुनने में जब लोग कहते हैं कि हम, you know, in fact this very concept of intermittent fasting.
No. So intermittent fasting is not a diet, okay?
Right.
It's a lifestyle. So if you want to follow this you need to follow it. You need to take it as like, I'm a hardcore vegetarian. You may be a hardcore non-vegetarian, okay? Now you can go for intermittent fasting, but this should be your lifestyle. Like, in the same way, like you're a hardcore non-vegetarian, in the same way, intermittent fasting should be your lifestyle. It is not like कि आप 6 months किए, 3 months किए, because it's a kind of diet. No, it's not a kind of a diet. It's a lifestyle.
Absolutely. तो इनफैक्ट आप पूरी तरह से फोकस करें लोगों के लाइफस्टाइल पे. It's just not about food. It's about the whole the entire way of living of an individual, isn't it?
Exactly.
By the way, you know, बात करते करते ये सवाल मेरे मन में है और मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि आपने कहा कि ऐसा कोई इंटरेस्ट था नहीं बचपन से, ना ऐसे हो गया, आपने ऐसा अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में बोला, तो कोई इंस्पिरेशन जरूर होगा आपका कि कैसे, मतलब प्रेरणा कहाँ से मिला आपको?
I don't know. I think I was a good cook.
Okay.
So in the year 2012, I won a All India Young Chef.
Okay.
Yes. So I represented.
So we have got a winner as well among us.
So I represented East India at Thailand. Okay.
Congratulations.
So, thank you. Now it's an old story. Yeah. So that was the thing. So I thought, I know how to cook, and that was also, I was not aware that I know cooking.
Okay.
Okay. It just happened.
तो इस प्रोफेशन में फैमिली का कितना सपोर्ट था? लाइक आपने
So my family is always like, you know, do whatever you feel like.
Always.
Yes.
इनफैक्ट जो नए डाइटिशियंस आ रहे हैं, यू नो, प्रोफेशन में, द यंगस्टर्स हु आर प्लानिंग टू बी अ डाइटिशियन इन द कमिंग इयर्स मे बी, उनके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
I am conveying them this to them directly only.
Okay.
I am into a teaching profession since last many years, 2017.
Right.
I have taught many corporate people. Currently, I'm teaching first years also.
Okay.
Yeah, BSc in first years. So.
इनफैक्ट आपके एक्सपीरियंस में, क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं इस बारे में, जैसा कि मैंने शुरुआत में ही कहा था कि देयर इज एन एवोल्यूशन टेकिंग प्लेस इन द वेरी वे द पीपल लिव देयर लाइव्स एज वेल एज इन द वेरी कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ डाइटिशियन, राइट, इन दिस वेरी प्रोफेशन. तो क्या चेंजेस आपने नोटिस किया इन 8 सालों में?
So see, I have been noticing that जब मैं BSc first year, second year, third year में थी, that time crash course was not going on.
Right.
Okay, so nowadays what happened? Even a personal trainer is claiming themselves to be a food expert. Okay, which is absolutely wrong. First thing,
Okay.
don't listen to them.
True.
Follow visit to a proper qualified nutritionist or a dietitian. Okay, second thing, don't blindly follow the crash courses, okay, which provides you 6 months, 8 months crash course. That is a crash course.
Okay.
So half information is always bad for
Absolutely.
health. So make sure you go and you may ask them directly कि what is your qualification.
Right.
Yes.
Absolutely. तो आप अभी तो आप इस प्रोफेशन में हैं, पूरी तरह से आप रेडी हैं टू फेस ऑल द चैलेंजेस दैट विल कम योर वे. व्हाट इज योर प्लानिंग इन द कमिंग इयर्स, मे बी टू एक्सपेंड योर बिजनेस और मे बी डूइंग समथिंग एल्स अलोंगसाइड?
Yeah, so maybe I want to expand it like by opening 1 or 2 more clinics.
Okay.
My app development is still pending.
All right.
So yes, that is another plan. And maybe I will be trying to focus on the overall wellness.
Okay.
Like just right now I told you that if you have any skin issues, visit to a dermatologist.
Right.
If you have any eyesight problem, visit to a ophthalmologist. Then yeah, so in that case, everything under one roof and as a wellness center.
Absolutely. In fact, जब हम दोनों ऑफ कैमरा बात कर रहे थे, तब आपने मुझे कहा कि देयर इज एन इंस्पिरेशन इन योर लाइफ हु सपोर्ट्स यू, हु हैज बीन सपोर्टिंग यू थ्रू आउट, एंड दैट इज योर मदर, राइट, निर्मला केजरीवाल. तो आप उनके बारे में, कैसे उन्होंने आपको सपोर्ट किया, एंड हाउ you actually give her the credit of supporting you in your career as well?
Okay, so I'll tell you, I had friends,
right.
I had cousins,
right.
everyone. So everyone family used to pester you that because that time CA was like a super hit.
True, very true.
So my all friends were pursuing CA and everything, but my father and my mother was like, do whatever you feel like to do.
Absolutely.
We will never pester you like what you want to do or what you should do. Okay, just do it whatever you want to do, and they have supported throughout.
Right.
So they never said कि what you're doing, you're good for nothing, whatever it is.
In fact, शायद यही मैसेज आप दूसरों तक भी पहुंचाना चाहते हैं ना, कि लाइफस्टाइल बिल्ड करने के लिए हमें अक्सर हमारा पैशन को फॉलो करना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अक्सर स्ट्रेस बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि अगर हम किसी एक प्रोफेशन में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हैं और हम किसी दूसरे प्रोफेशन की तरफ झुक रहे हैं या फिर इंक्लाइंड हो रहे हैं, तो उसका स्ट्रेस भी रहता है.
But I cannot say this because even
you did
this
not
was not
experience
planned.
it. Absolutely. अच्छा, it was not planned in your case, that is right.
Yes.
But ऐसे केसेस आपने ज़रूर देखे होंगे कि मतलब आपके साथ जो स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं या फिर आप जिन पेशेंट्स को हैंडल करते होंगे, उनके लाइफ में भी अलग अलग तरह के स्ट्रेस आपने देखा होगा.
But that is completely different stress. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically this altogether brings an end to this particular program. निर्मला जी हमारे साथ यहाँ मौजूद हैं, और क्योंकि इन्होंने आपको इतना सपोर्ट किया, और सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि आपने इनफैक्ट ऑफ कैमरा मुझे बताया कि ये पूरा आपका जो बिज़नेस है, आपका जो क्लिनिक है, ये पूरा ये संभालती हैं. तो इस ओकेजन पे ऑफ कोर्स ये आपको जाता है. कंग्रेचुलेशंस. थैंक यू सो मच. 24 आवर्स टीवी हमेशा आप लोगों के साथ है. इनफैक्ट अगर कुछ भी ज़रूरत हो हमारी तरफ से, इनफैक्ट सिर्फ ऑडियंस ही नहीं, अगर हम भी किसी तरह से आप लोगों की मदद कर पाए, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस.
Thank you.
Hopefully you are able to have a blast this puja.
Same to you.
Thank you so much.
Happy puja to all. In
Absolutely.
fact.
Thank you.